Hi, welcome to Mayville State University. My name is Khaja Hussain. I'm a professor of biology in the Science and Math division. Our biology program usually geared towards two disciplines, I can say. One is health science special, another one is wildlife, And we are also working on developing online biology program, and it's almost developed. It will be going online from fall next year. And apart from this program, we also have online, not online biology, biotechnology certificate program. It's mostly online. The lab portion little bit you need to do on campus. So basically, we are geared towards health science area and wildlife areas, and we have an online biology program that will be flying in next fall. And in addition to that, we have certification program in biotechnology. I have been teaching here many years. I should say I'm teaching general biology, genetics, microbiology, cell and molecular biology. And apart from teaching, I have been involved in research starting from for my tenure, starting from Mayville State University. And I had various projects working on it, before and now still going on. Currently, I have 3 defined projects funded by NSF, North Dakota EPSCoR. One is called ND Inspire. The ND Inspire one, we are working on utilization of wheat bran as industrial resources. We are using wheat bran as a biocomposition thermoplastic. We are using biochar developed from wheat bran for water treatment, removing dye from industrial wastewater. Also, we are working wheat bran for removing oil spill. So these all Inspire one, North Dakota Inspire project. The other project currently we are working on, we call it North Dakota ASIS project. And this project usually working on mainly tissue engineering for human tissue engineering for cancer cell, cancer treatment, basically towards for breast cancer and other cancers. Okay, what we are doing in this project is in 2 groups, 2 pillars, I should say. One is cell culture pillar, other one is material pillar. We are involved in material pillar. So what it does here, we are trying to do tissue engineering, growing tissue on mesh-like product and mesh-like that type of scaffold. The scaffold is polymeric based scaffold, and that's seeded with human cell, and cell can grow here as it is in the human cell. That means mimicking the cell growth in human. And then the good thing of this scaffold is it can deliver into the human body, and then the scaffold could be degraded. The other project we are working on it, that's called, that's Seed Money project. We are working on isolating bioactive compound, I should say phenolic bioactive compound from wheat bran, and using this isolated product to see the effect on cancer disease prevention. So all this work here going on, and we have many students are working here, and we are really working on this project, and our students are heavily involved in the research apart from the teaching, apart from the classes. So whenever they get time, they have the opportunity to do research work. What it does for them, if you want to develop your career, the research experience is one of the important things. And also, whenever they can go for seminar, they can present their work, they can have exposure to different scientific community, different professors, as well as they can have publication in peer-reviewed journal. So that is very important for their career. Also, whenever we are working here, we are not working alone. We are working in collaboration with scientists, professor, postdoc from NDSU, UND, sometimes in other universities in the US. So whenever students work here, they have the connection, communication with the faculties, and they can easily end up with the graduate study. So whenever any student, they think about they are in high school, want to go for these areas, they are really most welcome here. They will have a good time here. They will have the publication, they will have the research experience, and working with other people like a team member. Team experience, working in a team is very good experience.